We will proceed with the program. I would now like to invite today's festival host, our Honorable MLA to Government of Nagaland, Sri Panye M. Lamtiu, to deliver the festival greetings.
Good morning, everyone. Respected compeers, most respected and honored festival case, Shri Nephew Ryu, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Nagaland, Honorable Minister, Shri C.L. John, Honorable Advisor, Dr. Chingang Konyak, Honorable Advisor, Dr. Kekre Yome, Anyang Banger, a good brother to me, PRO to Chief Minister, Shri Risamdong Longkumar, Commissioner Secretary, Geology and Mining, Deputy Commissioner, Noklak, Colonel Archit, 14 AR, Noklak, most respected and loved by the people, the Kemnungan Tribal Council President and his officials, even Butner, the District Administration, Noklak, Kemnungan Student Union, Kemnungan Menu Hoikam, Noklak District Handloom and Handicraft Society, dignitaries on and off the dais, my respect to my uncle, Shri S. Heno, ex-MLA, representative from the Kemnungan Menu Hoikam, from the federating units from all districts, the KUT, KUM, KUK, leaders from TRBO, NRBO, PRBO, and my dear beloved brothers, sisters from my community, the Kemnungans. Today, I'm really honored and blessed that we could be here today to celebrate our tribal festival, the Council say Hoka. Achi to time phal, teen phal, amikhan ke blessing diya karne, sabse aage, Isor ke ekdam dhanger dhanyawad digina, apni khan la aage de festival greetings kobole karne, ekdam khushi paigena, kara kura janai diya ase. Sabse aage ami, amar mon bra, amar Kemnungan nam bra, yadi amikhan laga festival case, amikhan la Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Nephew Ryu, Taike ekdam dangor festival greetings aro salam janai di ase. Tai dosra kam bishi thakilibi koa nisna amar Kemnungan amar tonok ni di ahibo koina aji da ahigena udu festival grace kura karne bishi khushi ba janai di ase. Thank you, sir. Aro yate kiman jon ahigena ase. Let it be known that today, as the host of the Council say Hoka 2025, I bring you a message of peace and love on behalf of all my Kemnungan brothers and sisters. Aji ade, the festival, the look new headquarters de Pobole Karne, Amahan KDC President Balogina, planning comedican, Apnikan, Isorbra, wisdom digina, Udu plan Kura Karne, Apnikan Gibektam, Kushiba Koda, Janai Diase. Amar Kemnungan Guado Holido, Chaka alak alak tiase, sunrise Balogina, sunset Taktibi. Amar Kemnungan do spread Purnase. Holy be Kemnungan Manado, through our culture, tradition, Amikan unite Kuri Rakibo, peace Puna Rakibo Puna, Utu festival do, alak alak Chakate, range di Bogina, celebrate Kurubuna, Apnikan Kedisigan, Utu wisdom Takigina, Aji Amar Tanok Nuke, Nutun Salde, first privilege Diagarne, Amar Kedisige Holy be Apnikan Ge, Ekdam Kushiba Kota, Utu Janai Dia say. Yade aji amikhan, itun isna festival do, kille host kuriya se, it's all because of the it's all the brainchild of our Honorable Chief Minister, a wise and a visionary leader of the Nagas. Amakhan Naga do hile do, alak alak district pilagina se, aro amikhan la culture, aro amikhan la tradition do, amikhan la identity ase. Amakhan sob manu Naga kan do, remote area dibi bishi ase, sob to ahigina, mainland de amikhan laka culture our tradition show probably opportunity bi napai holibi yati amikhan la Honorable Chief Minister Shri Nephew Ryu tai ake karne bhabigina tai vision thakigina inaga mini hornbill tribal festival remote jaga de host koribo lage ami khan la culture manike dikhabo tida government ahigena sabo guna idu nisna vision rakhigena aji amar tonok de ahi punchina ase idu nisna festival do ami khan hodai mon de rakhibi idu festival do ami khan action ge mon miligina thakibole action majode unity thakina thakibol laga idu festival ase idu nisna festival de aji ami khan isor ge ami khan thanks de ami khan festival de harvest pal ba karne khushi ba laga festival action ge map kora festival aro aha nutun sal karne isor blessing ami khan ge thaki dibi guna tu festival ami khan celebrate koina ahe idu ra aji ami khan idu festival celebrate kodan de udla nam ra ami khan janibi ki idla festival ra ami khan action ge morom dikhabo lage action ge map dia baji koina idu festival do celebrate kole bishi bhal hobo guna du ekta janai di ase idu festival do ami khan laga culture tradition showcase kuri ase hoile bi idu bra age ami khan beyond that to the horizon mugan logina jabole koshish korbo lage idu festival celebrate kora ami khan majide wall nohoi ami khan majide bridge banabo lage action ge milebole karone ami khan bridge bana rakhibo lage ami khan majide mil milap na thaka ami khan majide wall thaka do phangai gena philai gena ami khan action laga hat kora baji guna age de jale bishi bhal hobo guna du ekta janai di ase yes ami khan la culture ami khan la tradition do ami khan la identity ase idu bi ami khan na pauribo idu ami khan dhuribo monde rakhibo preserve koribo hoile bi future kani bi ami khan wishing thaki gena idu festival organize kora kani bi ami khan korina chaile bishi bhal hobo guna janai di ase ami bishi khushi bai ase aji Department of Tourism ge hoile bi and through the government of Nagaland to do this na festival host koribole karone department ba funding korigena tourism bi promote kori di ase amar Khemniman mati amar Khemniman culture amar Khemniman lifestyle nagamanike dikhabole karone opportunity dia karone itu festival la through bra aha karone government gi ekdom khushi ba janai di ase ami bhamna ase itu festival do amar Khemniman manu karone ekdom dangor blessing hobo amar Khemniman manu karone rasta dikhai dia la ekta festival hobo duba amen du mon de turigina kam gona chaile bishi bhal hobo nagi gona janai di ase oni Khemniman mele social loni nong samai ne go ali ze shi no nye loni so no among ning samai sao jin ne go就是new za to lo ko ni就是Khemniman ha de go mele de new go shi de so la ka loni no samai sao jin ne go so apem de so point za to lo ko loni 就是蒙古 jealousy 的那个安尼个那 ism 喏，就是那 society， 看你们 society 了，就是喏表白着，老年喏什么稍微就那个喏晒死了就没个喏，咋个安尼个就喏 ism 的喏，就是晒死了喏阿里亚个，就是包耐的，就是看你们还牛做个这个新年，牛做这个新年，就是老年那个有的就是牛做这个，牛做那个有吃过，对那个就是看你们还那个。 讨论每个题的各位，那个哦，就是比下的好个题，那种什么那个，那个时候你弄那个劳动个题不接。With these few words, I once again welcome our honored guests and all the dignitaries to this Khao Sau Se Hoka 2025. God bless us all. Thank you. Kuk Nalin.